you look forward to spending the most time with during Christmas?
For me, my little sister Annika. Because like since last year, hindi ko pa siya nakakasama ulit sa Christmas. And I think this Christmas is my first time spending it with her.
Close ba kayo?
Yes.
How young is she?
3 years old.
She's only 3 years old!
She's so cute!
So may Christmas gift ba si Kuya para sa kanya?
Meron na. Pero bibili pa ako ng tawag.
Okay. Siyempre sa SM mo nabili.
Yes,
tayo.
yes.
That is so sweet. Okay, for Vinci naman, if you could play Santa Claus for a day, diba? Kunwari ikaw si Santa Claus for a day, what would you do to make someone's Christmas extra special?
Well, I think, kasi walang chimney dito sa Pilipinas eh. Siguro papasok na lang ako sa bintana, tapos maglalagay ako ng cookies sa my Christmas tree.
Cookies! Who would want to get some cookies from Vinci? Yes! Okay, but here we go. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna make your Christmas extra special. Guys, every time I watch you sing and dance, lagi kong naiisip na, shucks, you know, I would love to learn how to sing and dance like them. Like, wouldn't it be so cool if we could get one-on-one private lessons from the Boys of Horizon? Who would want that? That's nice. So ito ang mangyayari ngayon. Isa-isa po tayo. Sige, can we split in half? We're gonna ask each member to call on a lucky anchor to join us for a dance showdown. Are you ready?
Sinong dancer dyan?
Kapisado niyo na ba yung moves nila? Okay. Kailangan inabas nyo na yung confidence nyo. Let's start with, Vinci, listen ka na. Vinci, halika dito. Vinci, your lucky student anchor for the day is...
She is Shaira Clarice Terrano!
Shaira! Asan na Shaira?
Hello, are you here?
Masyado siyang starstruck. Shaira, don't be shy.
You're going to be dancing with us.
Come and join us. Okay.
Why don't you come and join us?
Next naman, Marcos.
Okay.
Marcos. I have strong confidence in you here kasi grabe yung training mo, simula bata pa lang. I'm sure matuturuan mo yung lucky anchor na to well so that they can win this showdown. Your lucky anchor is
Rain
Arguelles. Rain Arguelles. Asan na si Rain? Rain or shine. Wala?
Rain Arguelles.
Ayan, Rain, come up and join us. Marcus will be your mentor, your senpai for today. Come up and join us, Rain. Okay. Winston, do you like teaching?
Yes.
Hindi mo ba ma-enjoy mo to? Okay,
Hindi ko ma-enjoy kasi with anchors naman.
Ang estudyante mo ay si...
Congratulations, Drail Sergus, Drail Sergus, Dilausi.
May Drail ba dito? Drail? Asa na? Drail, are you here?
Nagkatago daw po.
Ha?
Nagkatago.
Drail,
let's go. Come on.
Don't shy, Drail. Okay, medyo shy type si Drail. Galingan mo ha. Showdown to. Okay, next naman si Kyler. Who wants to be Kyler's student? You're gonna have to teach them well. Kanina natalo kayo, sabi nila competitive ka. Kala ko kayo mananalo. Pero ngayon naman, nagbabawi ka? Feeling mo? Okay, dito nagbabawi si Kyler. Here we go. Your lucky student is...
Okay. Di ko alam kung paano banggitin yung pangalan pero babasahin ko na lang. Shanzel Rin Villanueva.
Shanzel Villanueva!
Is that you?
Is that you, Shanzel? That's so adorable! I think she's our youngest contender so far.
Oh my God, she's so cute.
Jerome.
Yes.
Jerome. Handa ka na ba?
Yes.
Jerome. Ang iyong estudyante ay si
Janine Tagabi.
Janine Tagabi.
Army.
Janine. Going once. Going twice. Ayan, Janine ba yan?
Janine Tagabi.
Pagpakita ko naman. Ayan. Dalawa na lang. Tama ba? Yes? Guys, dapat tinuturuan nyo na. Ito na yung opportunity nyo. Kaya ako binabagalan yung pagsalita ko dito para may time kayo. Handa ka na ba?
Yes.
Okay. Your lucky student is
Daniel Aaron Bunzalan.
Daniel Bunzalan! Where is Daniel? Daniel?
Daniel
5. Is that you? 4? Wala? 3? 2? Okay, wait, I have a question. Parang wala si Daniel. Oh, ay, okay. Siya na daw pipili. Kaya sana pipiliin ko.
Hi, Alfred Hanson.
Alfred Hanson!
Nandito siya! Nandito siya!
Alfred, nandito ba si Alfred?
Nandito!
Yes, okay. One more to go. One more to go. Sino ang wala pang team member? Isa pa ba? Okay.
Na Daniela.
Nadiela Yuson! Nadiela! Wala? Wala? Eto na lang. Pwede bang kami na lang mamili? Baka pwede kami mamili? Parang sure, kasi feeling ko, if you wanna win, feeling okay lang if I help you. If you wanna win, I feel like she can help you out. In pink.
Okay.
Yes, come up and join us. Our lady in pink? Okay. And then we have one more spot to fill. One more spot to fill.
Sino gusto?
Sino gusto? Ikaw, ano mas prefer mo? Pipili tayo dito or dito na? Kayo lang pipili.
Para sa akin, papel.
Okay, papel na lang para fair. Okay, eto. Ang iyong partner ay si
Congratulations, Charlie Beneflor.
Charlie Bonifar! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala? Nasa Charlie? Okay, isa pa papel. Isa pa papel.
Mag-aaway tayo. Hindi kita kakausapin.
Ito. Malaki?
Wait. Sino yan?
Ay, mag-gusto.
Si Kyla? Kyla para kay? Kay Kim na? Okay, all good. Yes! Come and join us. Give a big round of applause, everybody. Alright, alam niyo lang nangyayari because it is a showdown. Our Boys of Horizon will be the mentors for the anchors. Ngayon, kayo ang magiging judges natin. Kayo po ang magiging jurado natin. Okay lang po ba? Are you guys gonna be good judges? Okay, we're gonna need your help for this. It is a damn showdown to the tune of our special edition of the SM Christmas Jingle. Ngayon, uunahin natin dun sa teams na binuo na natin first because they already had the time to rehearse. So, let's call on our first team, Team Vinci. Asan na si Vinci?
Yeah,
Vinci!
that's us.
Are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Confident ka ba?
Yes, we're so confident. She's a fast learner.
Here we go, DJ, music, 3, 2,
Music to say, yo!
By chance? Not bad. All right, second team. Let's call on Team Marcus and the lucky anchor number 2.
I am confident in Ate Rain.
Marcus, SM, ano ka talaga? Prodigy na talaga. Ganun mo, ha? Okay, Team Marcus, DJ, in 3, 2, 1, let's go! naman. Okay, let's keep this moving. Team number 3, Winston and Lucky Anchor 3. Kanina pa kayo nag-rehearse. You got this. DJ, let's go! Let's go! Younger members, we have Tyler now, and Lucky Anchor number 4. You can do this, kaya? Let's go, DJ, music! Hey, hey, hey! Ay, gumawa ng Mario! Wala ba?
Inatake tayo ng originality.
Utak si Tyler. Okay. Next team, Team Jerome and Lucky Anchor number 5. I love it. Okay, we have 2 more to go. Team Kim and Lucky Anchor 6. It's your time to shine. Let's go. Hey, Team Kim. Kim, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
You can do it!
Let's do it together. Let's do it together. Together.
We can do it together.